A lot of things in life we can get right at the grocery store. It's like shopping, pulling something off the shelf. It's a one-size-fits-all. It doesn't really matter what choice that you make. But when you're dealing with finding the right lawyer for your particular problem, it's a lot more complicated and far more important than that. What we want to make sure when we're looking for a lawyer is that we're not having to be lucky when we find the right one. And I'm going to show you how to find the right lawyer and do it the right way. Shopping for a lawyer, whether you're 21 and just got arrested for DUI, or you're in your midlife and you're going through a divorce with 3 children, you're working on a complicated business transaction where you're trying to sell your family farm or your family business, the right lawyer can make all of the difference. And I want to teach you or share with you how you need to work hard to find the right lawyer for your situation. If you've ever been hurt or you're sick, you know that the right doctor can make all the difference. It gives you confidence. It makes you feel like you're in good hands. It's no different with lawyers. As with physicians or accountants or any other professional, there are good lawyers and there are bad lawyers. And I know from my personal experience what it's like to have a lawyer you don't have confidence in. And we're going to teach you some principles that are going to help you understand when you got a good one and how to make sure you have the right one for your situation. One of the first ways, one of the key points in finding a good lawyer is to know who to talk to. Get to know a lawyer who knows good lawyers. They will typically know good practitioners in the industry and be able to refer you to someone who can help. Recommendations from friends, businesses, and online directories can also help. But believe me, no one knows a good lawyer like someone who's worked with a good lawyer or a good lawyer him or herself. And so if you find someone that is really good in their area of expertise, but they aren't in your right area that you need, talk to that lawyer, get recommendations from that lawyer. Believe me, that lawyer is going to want to help you find someone that that lawyer can trust. And if you find a lawyer that's trustworthy to other lawyers, you've got a winner. At the end of the day, lawyers aren't that much different from anyone else in the professional world. If I was looking for an engineer, you'd probably ask me, well, what type of engineer are you looking for? Electrical engineer? Are you wiring a house? Or you have a circuit issue? A mechanical engineer? Are you designing a robotic arm? Are you a chemical engineer and you're working at saving kind of the planet from carbon emissions, right? It's the same with lawyers. If you have a problem and you come to just any lawyer, you're not going to perhaps get the specialty, advice, and experience that you need. So as you're looking for a lawyer, ask yourself, what am I looking at? Am I looking at a personal injury in a car accident? Am I looking at a divorce and I want to have someone who just really understands divorce? Or am I looking for a bankruptcy lawyer and I really want to understand what the rules are and what I need to be careful of? Most lawyers specialize in certain areas, and even so-called general practitioners may not know that much about the particular area of your concern. It can pay to work with a lawyer who already knows the field, such as employment discrimination, zoning laws, software design issues, or mergers and acquisitions. And again, I can't tell you enough that when you're looking for a lawyer in a highly specialized area, you need to hire a specialist. I don't know about you, but if I had a doctor diagnose me with a brain tumor, I'd probably want a second opinion. And it's the same with lawyers. If you've got a serious situation that you're facing, if you need to get it right, you're going to want to talk to more than one lawyer and make sure that you kick the tires, you feel comfortable, and you're really getting the advice that you're looking for so that as you form this special bond, this attorney-client relationship with your lawyer, you feel like you're in great hands and you trust the person that you've hired and shopped for to get the job right for you. Just like with getting a medical opinion or an estimate on your car, best practice is to seek the opinions of multiple lawyers. You know, nothing is more frustrated than believing that a certain result is affordable or easy to obtain and not having enough of an experience set with lawyers to really understand what the likely end result is, what the truth is. And so having the opinion of more than one lawyer is like having the opinion of more than one doctor. You're more certain of a precise diagnosis of your case. And when you make the investment in a lawyer, you want to make sure you're confident you can get it right. Once you understand that you've got a good case by talking with multiple lawyers, getting multiple opinions, you want to try to make sure the relationship fits by finding the right lawyer for your situation. When you get the names of several good prospects, the next step is to talk to each one personally. If you outline your needs in advance, many lawyers will be willing to meet with you for half an hour or so at no charge so that you can size them up and make an informed decision. The point here is that when you form a relationship and get ready to go into battle with a lawyer, you need to make sure you've got someone you believe in and who believes in you as well. And that's worth taking the time to make sure you've got it right. Interview a few of them, make sure you feel good inside about it, and move forward on that basis. My fourth rule is to trust your gut. Once you've met with the lawyers and considered their personalities, communication, promptness, and willingness to work with you, trust your instincts. If you don't feel good about a particular lawyer, you likely won't work well together. If I had been wiser, if I had followed my gut and hadn't been in such a panic to find a lawyer quickly, I would have saved myself more than $50,000 and a whole lot of sleepless nights if I had just followed my gut and walked out of the room and walked out of that office and hired the right lawyer the first time. That is a key to you if you ever in a situation where you need a lawyer, a professional, a friend who will help you get to where you need to be and solve your legal issues. If you're shopping around for a lawyer, I invite you to click the link below. My team will reach out to you, ask you a few questions, and you'll be able to start the shopping process in a way that will be most effective for you. Again, if you're facing a legal problem, or if you're just looking for someone to help you with a transaction or some other positive element of your life, and you need a good lawyer, click the link below and give us an opportunity to share with you what we know and answer your questions and help you as you navigate a difficult course and shop for the right lawyer to handle your specific need. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you as you get ready to shop for your next lawyer. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so we can let you know when our next content's available. And by the way, if you like this video, let's check out this next one.